What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video with Logan Vlogs. And since I haven't been making videos lately, I'm gonna make a video to make it up. This is new, I promise. I just bought it at the store. It's a nice cap gun. I'm gonna be testing out two different cheap guns, one a cap gun and one a knockoff brand of Nerf. And I'm gonna be seeing which one is better. They're each $3, just $3. So I already got this one out the box. So I guess what you do is just wait. Oh yeah, there's a little thing right here where you just push that over, and this thing lifts up. And then in here is where the cap guns, or what shoots it, are at. Here is the actual thing. I tested out before this just to see if everything was safe. I know it wouldn't be selling if it wasn't safe, but I just wanted to make sure. So it worked out pretty good for the price. So I got a whole bag of these, and I'm gonna put one of these in here. Wait. See? Then it has the numbers on the side, and when you're shooting on here, it says which number it's at. See, and you want to start at 1 to make it easier for yourself. See, I'm at 1, so see? So then I'm gonna flip this up. You can see, kind of. So then you just shoot it. And if you don't know how a cap gun works, because cap guns are very old toys, you just shoot it, makes loud noise, and smoke comes out. 3, 2, 1. I forgot to say, if you're a headphone user, You can see that spark though. So much smoke. And it only has 10 bullets. But I like it out. Then you just take it out. Okay, let's see here. Take it out. I don't know if there's a specific way to take it out. And just pull it out. Hey, Pa. And you just pull these out, and it has a little gunpowder, I think, in here, or something that makes a lot of bang and smoke. And when it goes super fast, it sparks with something. That's what makes the spark, and the noise and the smoke is coming from that as well. That's just what I think happens. There's lots of different. I guess I didn't put it in correctly. There's lots of different opinions of how these things work. That's just my opinion. Oh. So these get very addicting.
Ah! That's probably a thing in your butt. I loaded it.
What happened to
Not loaded.
What happened to the load? I loaded it. What the freak? This is weird.
It's gonna mind freak you.
Okay. You see, I got that in there, right? You see. Oh. Look inside. Must have fell out. Dang thing. So I'm going to shoot it out in the woods. Broke it in. Here it comes. Cinnamon, so
There's
scared.
the cheese and a cinnamon.
So guys, that was the first gun. I give it a 6 out of 10. I would buy it with my money. It's fun. The only bad thing is it doesn't come with the caps. I had to pay $2 to get caps. Oh, man. This one you can see is definitely new. But yeah, this was $3, guys. 3. I have this stupid thing. Guys, I'm gonna go open it. I'll be right back. You can look at the nice guy. So guys, I'm back. It comes with a surprisingly weird, or a lot of bullets for the price. It comes with 6 bullets. You can count. And so I guess what you do is take a bullet, put it in here. This back and shoot. Let's see how far it goes. Yo! That went surprisingly far. I think it went out of the fence.
No way.
It freaking went over the fence. Are you kidding me? How the freak did this small little sheep thing go over the freaking fence? Watch this, Angel. Watch this. Wait. Over fence.
Yeah, I didn't hear it land anywhere over here.
So, guys, I give this like an 8 out of 10. It is good for its price. I would recommend both of these items. The only bad thing about this is it's hand cranking, but it goes far for its price. And you get 6 bullets. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry that I haven't been making videos in a long time. Bye.